Good afternoon. Can I ask what's your name?
My name is Heart Confident.
Wow, nice name. So I guess you're a student of Gifted Brains Tutorial.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is physics.
Physics. And who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Master Cosmos.
Master Cosmos. So
Yes.
what subject does Master Cosmos teach?
Ah, that man is very, very brilliant. He teaches a lot of subjects
Wow.
like biology, chemistry.
Looks like there are a lot of intelligent teachers in Gifted Brains. So how conducive is Gifted Brains Tutorials for effective learning?
It is very, very conducive. At least it is well ventilated.
Wow. So in a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate Gifted Brain Tutorial?
I rate it 8.5.
Wow, that's good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, please, what's your name?
I am Anyam Bonaventure Onyedachi,
So, what's your favorite subject?
biology.
Biology. And I guess you're a student of Gifted Brain Tutorial.
Yeah.
So, why do you like biology?
Biology is a very nice subject, and the tutor handling it is a competent, qualified professional tutor.
That's good. So, who's your favorite teacher?
Master Bertrand.
Mr. Bertrand.
Yeah.
So, why do you like Mr. Bertrand?
He's too competent in the subject.
Wow. So, what subject does Master Bertrand teaches you?
He teaches biology, also handles chemistry and physics.
Wow. That Master Bertrand must be an intelligent man.
Yeah.
Wow. So, describe Gifted Brains in one word.
It is multitudinous.
Wow. How conducive is Gifted Brains Tutorial for effective learning?
It is very calm, lively, and is free from distraction.
Wow. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
The electron here is negatively charged. The proton here is positively charged. There is no charge on the neutron. In every atom, numbers of protons is equal